In this video, you are going to see how to type the multiplication sign in Microsoft Word document. As you can see here, let's get started. We can apply three methods. For the first method, go to Insert, go to Equation, go to Insert New Equation and type here backslash and write here times and hit the space bar. Then the multiplication sign will be inserted. There is another method. Go to Insert, go to Equation, go to Insert New Equation, and here you will see the multiplication sign and click on over here. Let us apply another method. Go to Insert, go to Symbol, go to More Symbol. Select the font Tahoma and subset Latin on Supplement, and here you will see the multiplication sign. Click on it and click on Insert, then the multiplication sign will be inserted. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.